Apple just announced a mind-blowing $500 billion investment in the US over the next 4 years, the biggest in its history. Factories, AI research, chip manufacturing, and 20,000 new jobs. But what's really behind this massive commitment? Is this truly about innovation, or is Apple making a strategic play to navigate political and economic pressures? Apple's investment covers several key areas. A new factory in Texas, a 250,000 square foot facility to manufacture AI-powered servers for Apple Intelligence. This means jobs, innovation, and a stronger presence in American manufacturing. Silicon and AI expansion. Apple is doubling its US Advanced Manufacturing Fund from $5 billion to $10 billion, fueling semiconductor production at TSMC's Arizona facility. This move reduces reliance on foreign chipmakers. R&D and hiring. Apple is investing heavily in AI, silicon engineering, and software development, hiring 20,000 workers over the next 4 years. Manufacturing Academy in Detroit, a new initiative to train American workers in high-tech manufacturing skills. It all sounds great, but let's ask the big question. How will this investment impact global supply chains, especially with China's role in Apple's manufacturing? Apple has long depended on China for manufacturing, but with increasing trade tensions and potential tariffs, is this Apple's way of reducing that dependency? Over 90% of Apple's devices are still assembled in China. Shifting production to the US is expensive and complex. Labor costs, supply chain logistics, and component sourcing. Even with this huge investment, Apple isn't cutting ties with China entirely. Instead, they're strategically balancing their global supply chain while keeping both the US and China in play. Is Apple's investment more than meets the eye? Apple isn't alone in this game. Other tech giants are also making massive investments. Microsoft, $80 billion in AI and cloud infrastructure. Amazon, $100 billion for AI and data centers. Google, $75 billion for AI advancements. Meta, $60 billion plus for AI and VR. Apple's $500 billion pledge is massive, but does it truly put them ahead of the competition? What about job creation? Apple promises 20,000 new jobs in AI, software, and silicon engineering. But here's the catch. AI-driven manufacturing is reducing human labor needs. Automation in data centers and server production is increasing. Many of these new jobs require highly specialized skills. Will the average worker benefit? Does Apple's promise of job creation genuinely benefit American workers, or will automation and AI reduce the need for human labor in the long run? At the end of the day, Apple's $500 billion investment is a bold move, strengthening US manufacturing, pushing AI innovation, and ensuring they stay ahead in the tech race. But we have to ask, is this investment truly about America's future? Or is it a calculated move to navigate trade wars and regulatory challenges? Let us know in the comments. Is Apple shaping the future of American innovation, or just playing a strategic game? Subscribe for deep dives into the biggest tech and business moves shaping our future.